Hello, my name is Alfonso Verduzco, and I am the designer for ALMA Collection, which is the new high-end offering for acoustical wall panels solutions in collaboration with WVH. And ALMA Collection is inspired by Mexican heritage and Mexican materiality. This collection focuses in taking the acoustical solutions to a new market, which is a high-end design offerings. So Alma Collection is dedicated in honoring some of the materials that have shaped Mexico's identity for centuries. One example is obsidian. Obsidian has been considered a precious stone in Mexico for centuries. Um, it has been used in ornamental objects and jewelry making. The design does this interlocking of the wood slat panels using gray maple, and each individual inlays of obsidian could have been a piece of jewelry. So the idea behind this design is to elevate the wall and not necessarily take it as a background of the project, but make it a statement, make it a part of the architecture, and really treating the acoustical solutions from a different perspective that typically acoustical solutions doesn't offer that, taking your project to the next level. So that is what Reflejo is, the first design, and Reflejo means reflection because of the obsidian qualities of reflecting the light as the light moves across the surface. The next design, it is called Sagrado. Sagrado is inspired, which it means sacred, and Sagrado it's inspired by the historical cathedral doors or hacienda doors found throughout Mexico or Latin America or even Europe as well. Back in the day, they used to perforate the doors with nails made out of copper or iron, and the intention behind that was to preserve the wood for centuries. That inspiration was transferred into the design of the panel. Using instead of wood veneer, I decided to use the end grain solid wood, larch wood, and applying the Zozugi Van technique, which is, obviously burning the wood and getting that character of the different gray tonalities of the blacks and the grays. And the intention of using the solid copper, it's transferring that idea from the cathedral doors and allowing the copper to age over time and get that natural patina um, on the panels. We have the panel, which is called Sendero, or it means pathway or path. And this particular panel is inspired by the historic streets in Mexico and how the lava adoquins were used to take care of the streets back in the day. Each individual stone has shaped over time, and they have gained their own character through their water, rain running through people, animals, cars, etc. So each individual piece of stone is one of a kind, right? So I'm trying to capture that uniqueness and that materiality into this acoustical panel, which each individual piece of stone, it's an 8 millimeters thick lava stone, which, each stone has its own character and it mimics that identity back in the historic streets in Mexico. So again, it's adding that elevated value and elevated, sophisticated appeal to an architecture project that now the acoustical properties and the wall treatments are not necessarily the second thought of the project, but they become the foundation, bringing character, personality, and that identity and personal connection that I think interior design projects and any architecture project should have. So, besides the acoustical panels being beautifully appealing and having this aesthetic, we are stimulating our eyes to look at something beautiful. We're incorporating the natural materials and touching the product So making that connection. But now I'm trying to bring the whole senses experience into the whole Alma um, lifestyle for the collection. So Hinconi is just the fragrance that we come out with. Hinconi means when fresh rainwater falls on the earth, and that fresh smell of fresh rain, um, that's the moment that I wanted to capture with this fragrance. So it comes in a hand carved piece of stone that has been handcrafted by an artisan in Mexico. And then the idea is that you grab your dropper, you drop, simulating the rain falling into the earth, and then that's the smell that a space is gonna gain with the visual, the tactile, and now the smell. Then you get your whole experience with Alma Collection.